Welcome to our AIQuest platform, which is an internal knowledge sharing platform within an organization where a user can post its queries, questions, and other people will answer to these questions. Now, this is the overall GUI of our web application AIQuest. As you can see here, multiple categories questions are posted, like for example, deep learning, data structures, AIML, Java, microservices, etc. of categories questions are posted here. Now, before going further, first we need to do the authentication process. Now, for that, we will click to this login button. Now, we will directly redirect to the login page after clicking to this login button. Now, if we are a new user, then first we will do the sign up process. In the sign up page, we will have to insert some details as name, company, position, email, and password of a user. So, we will start inserting all of these details one by one. Now, here I am inserting the details of employee or a user which is named as Aditya Kulkarni. Aditya Kulkarni, and he is working in the company as Infosys. Then position as web developer. In the email, I am taking the email as Aditya Kulkarni and password. So his password is, as you can see here, a user is logged in successfully and user is registered successfully message shown. Once we have done with our authentication process, we will directly redirect to our home page. That is, as you can see, the GUI of our application. Now, here, if we have any queries, then we can post it on our portal. Now, for that, we will click to this Ask Question button. Now, once we will click to it, we will directly redirect to this panel. So here we have to insert all these details for posting a questions. So for that, like I am posting the question here. First, we will insert the title name. Here I am inserting the title as neural network. Now, in the next, I am inserting the detail what exactly I want to ask to user. So I am asking as what is neural network, and in the tags I am adding here uh, domains. We can consider as a domain. So here I am adding the neural network deep learning AML. Now, we have also given the text styling options such as you can see, all of these are the text styling options. So here we are inserting all of these text styling options. Like if we want to do our question in the bold format, then we can do it as well. There is the option of italic, underline. We can also increase the text style. So as you can see, this is the heading 1, this is the heading 2. Now, if we want to give the bullets or numbering, then we can also do that. Here I am giving the bullet numbering format. If I want in the bullet format, then I can give it in the bullet format. Now, we can also change the font if I want in the serif. So it is in serif, increase the size, and after successfully inserting all the information, we can post a question. So here I am posting a question. As you can see, question is posted successfully, message are shown. Now, the next activity that we are going to perform is posting an answer to the questions that are posted. So here I am taking the question as microservices category. Now, here user asked as a question, what is a microservice architecture? Uh, And one answer is given here, that is the microservice architecture involves building an application as a collection of small independent services that communicate over a network, each responsible for specific business function. Now, I am giving my own answer as here I am giving my own answer. This is the answer which I want to give to the users. So let's add some style here, bold, italic, give some heading. Now I will post my answer on this portal. As you can see here, my answer is posted. Uh, Now, here is the timeline, timing also given when my answer is posted on the website. Now, as you can see, here is the option of AI generated answer. Now, when I click to this, it will generate an answer using the AI. As you can see here, loading AI generated answer is given. AI is trying to respond to our question. Now, as you can see, AI generated answer as follows. AI generated similar answer. This is the answer which is given by the AI, and this is the another answer which is which we got from the Wikipedia. And in the last, we have given one another chatbot, that is this. Once we click to this chatbot, we will get this type of UI. Here we can ask questions to this chatbot like, hey, so here you can see it has given the answer as neurotech is a broad term encompassing a wide range of technologies related to the nervous system. This is our first answer that has we got from the our chatbot. Then the next answer, then the next question we will ask to this AI is, what is deep learning? This is the another answer for the deep learning which is given from the AI. I want to ask one more answer to this AI, that is on AWS. What are the different types of AWS services? Let's see what it will generate. So the answer that we got from the AI is there are many types of AWS services categorized in various way. It's impossible to list them all, but I can give you breakdown by major category. One, compute. These services, these are the multiple answers, or we can say the services that has been provided by the AI generated answer. Now then we will move further to this part here. This is the question panel. As you can see, all the questions are we are getting here. Then this is the tags. Basically what will happen here, it will try to categorize all the answers. Like if we want answers or questions, we can consider if we want question or answer regarding the Python or Android, then we will directly get from here. Then the next is our chatbot functionality. This is our chatbot functionality. Uh, we have also given the panel for the community panel. Here, three communities are given. First is the Amazon, Flipkart, and Adobe. So in the register company panel, you can register our own company. So for this, I will consider as OpenAI. OpenAI. For the descriptions and the details, I will search here as OpenAI. Then it will give me all the answers. Now, in the last, after filling all of these details, we are submitting. As you can see here, company created successfully. Once we will go to this part, as you can see, we are getting the community of OpenAI. So this is our overall tour of our web application, that is the AIQuest. Thank you.